Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Kevin and today I'm going to be sharing a quick tip for the Mamiya RZ67. If you're like me, you have your camera, you're lit, you know, you're shooting pictures, you're coming out beautiful, you're getting that nice bokeh, that nice blurry background, super nice depth of field. And it's just amazing, you know, the camera's beautiful, it feels good, it makes you feel pro and everything. You're all excited and shit. But the one thing that sucks is the ergonomics, and you haven't found a good way to hold a camera, and it's always kind of getting in the way of your composition, or you know, if you're trying to take that shot at nighttime, it's kind of, I don't know about you guys, but for me it's a little hard to hold a camera and to hold it steady and to actually get the shot. And then the reverse of view level viewfinder kind of, it's just a lot going on. Like, you really need to hold the camera very still, and then you need to be able to look through the glass and hold that very still, and you know, everything's reversed, and all these little things kind of get in the way. You have to change the aperture, the shutter, and you have to clock the film, and then you have to take out the dark slide. It's like 6 things that you need to remember before you actually can take the photo. And so besides that, like, I really like the camera a lot, but the ergonomics of the camera actually suck so much. And so I was looking for a new way to hold the camera better. Then I saw that Willem Verbeek got the left-hand grip, which I didn't even know about, truthfully. So I went online and checked how much it costs, and I think they were like 100 to like 300 bucks and up, depending on what model you got. And the one that Willem Verbeek has, I think is like 80 bucks, but those are sold out and they're from Japan. So not only did I not want to wait 2 weeks to get a grip, a handle for my camera, but then at the same time, I didn't want to spend 100, 200, or $300 on a handle just to hold my camera. And so I was looking for some alternatives, and I came up with an idea. So let me tell you a little bit before as to how I got to that idea. So first I was like, okay, let me just design my own handle. It shouldn't be that hard. It's just a 1/4 screw that goes into the camera. But then I was thinking, like, damn, if I want to create a nice handle, then I have to like machine it, and I need tools for that, and I don't have that tool. I don't have those tools. So then I was looking for some other alternatives, and then I don't know why I didn't think about this earlier, but then I looked at my DJI Ronin S, the handle that has, and it has a tripod and it has a 1/4 screw on it. So I put it into my Mamiya RZ67, and this is what I got. So this thing works super well. I can hold it with my left hand, and then that leaves me all this space to, you know, focus here and then, you know, shoot my picture. And it's very sturdy. Like, I can actually just like walk around with it like this, you know, it's really good. So I thought that was a really cool thing. I thought that was pretty neat. And then when you want to put it down on the floor, you can also just like put the tripod and put it on the floor, and that won't mess up the bottom of your camera. It won't mess up the body at all. So I thought that was very neat, and it gives you better ergonomics. And then the last thing that I would probably do for this camera is get the eye level viewfinder. You'll probably spend like 180 bucks. Like, that's the cheapest one I saw after taxes and shipping, and you probably have to wait a couple of weeks from Japan. But besides that, I think this was a really cool hack. And yeah, if you don't have one of these, actually, because I know not everyone has a DJI Ronin S, especially photographers, since you guys are into photos, more than likely you don't have this. You don't have this grip. So what you can do is go on Amazon and get it for 40 bucks. DJI sells it for 40 bucks, and you'll have a brand new handle for your camera. I thought that was a really cool trick. And yeah, that was all for this video. If you guys have any other tips for the camera that you guys use and you want to share, please comment down below. I would like to hear some of the hacks that you guys have for this camera. Anyways, I will leave you guys to it. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. If you didn't like it, hit the dislike button, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.